Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the watermark in CapCut. So if you start editing your projects or your videos in CapCut, every time you click on new projects, and here for example, I'm going to edit this video, you can click on add. So every time you do your edits in CapCut, at the end there will be a watermark from CapCut. This CapCut ending. You can see, and actually you can just click on it and then you can just tap on delete, and that's a problem solved. But if you want to delete it permanently, so when you open a new project there won't be again, there will be no watermark again, you need to go to the settings of your CapCut. So let's close this project, click on the me, go to the settings at the top right corner, and here under the preferences there is the add default ending. You can see that it's currently on, so what you need to do is just turn it off by clicking the circle, click on discard, and just like that, when you start a new project there won't be any watermark. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.